The ultimate chocolate coffee cake. Moist, decadent, and delicious. Hello, and welcome back to our channel where we explore all things delicious. Today, we're going to be sharing with you a mouth-watering recipe for chocolate coffee cake. This indulgent cake combines the rich flavors of chocolate and coffee, creating a decadent treat that is perfect for any occasion. Whether you're hosting a party or simply looking to indulge in something sweet, this cake is sure to impress. So, let's get started. Ingredients: 1 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, 2/3 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 cup strong brewed coffee, cooled, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips. For the streusel topping: 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup unsalted butter, melted, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Directions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease a 9-inch round cake pan. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. In a separate bowl, whisk together the coffee, oil, eggs, and vanilla extract. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and stir until just combined. Fold in the chocolate chips. To make the streusel topping, mix together the flour, brown sugar, melted butter, and cinnamon until the mixture is crumbly. Pour the batter into the prepared cake pan and sprinkle the streusel topping over the top. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. Allow the cake to cool in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. Slice and serve your delicious chocolate coffee cake. Enjoy with a cup of coffee or tea. Thank you so much for joining us today and learning how to make this delicious chocolate coffee cake. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes like this one. And as always, happy baking! Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.